Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Battlefield 6 and you keep getting this error, an unknown error occurred with direct code 18601S 5109S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Battlefield 6 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that both of your usernames of Steam and EA are the same. So do not change those usernames, keep them both the same. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to go ahead and select your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. Right click on it, click properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses. Right here in the preferred DNS 1.1.1.1 and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK again. Now disable your network device. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds and then enable it. And after you enable it, now you're going to go ahead and open up your Steam and you're going to try to play Battlefield 6. And now when you play the game, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.